solve Unit 2 assessment from MULTIPILES book. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Which of the following is an integer? We know any integer number, the numerator of it equal 1. Letter A, we have 3.75. It's not integer because it's meaning 375 over 100. It's belonging to rational number, not belonging to integer. And what about letter B? Negative 3 over 7. It's belonging to a rational number. Letter C, 7 over 7. It will be equal 1. Then we must choose letter C. 1 belonging to the integers, set of integers, okay? But letter D, 2.5 belonging to rational number. Question number 2, the smallest natural number is what? 0. 0 is the smallest natural number. Set of natural number we reverse to n, and beginning by 0 and 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, then the smallest natural number will be what? 0. 0 is the smallest natural number. You must choose letter C about question number 2. Understood? Question C. Question number 2, choose letter C. Okay. Question number 3. Negative over 4 and the negative and 1 over 2. Which greater? Negative half is greater than negative 3 over 4. And you can convert this number 0.7 and 5, and here negative 0.5. You can equal parts between two numbers here to put more than or less than. This number is greater than. Negative half is greater than negative 3 over 4 because this number nearest to 0. Understood? Question number 3, choose letter what? Letter P. Question number 4, absolute value of negative 8 is greater than what? We know the absolute value of negative 8, it will be 8. 8 is greater than 7, and 7 here in letter B. Letter B, right? Absolute value of negative 7. We know absolute value of negative 7 equals 7. Then we must choose letter B about this question because the absolute value of negative 8, it will be 8, and 8 is greater than 7. Question number 5, the opposite of the number negative 3 over 8, it will be 3 over 8. You must change the sign here. Opposite number, it's meaning it change the sign. The result will be 3 over 8. Choose letter D. Because the absolute value of negative 3 over 8, it will be 3 over 8. And 3 over 8, it's the opposite of the number negative 3 over 8. Then, about question number 5, choose letter D. Question number 6, the integer which comes just before negative 3. Before, it's meaning what? It's meaning subtract 1 from the number. Right, negative 3 subtract by 1, it will be negative 4. So, the integer which comes just before negative 3, it will be what? Negative 4. Question 6, choose letter P. Question number 7, the base subset 4 of the number negative 2. We know negative 2 is polling what? Integer. Okay, we have here an integer number, letter P. Question number 7, choose letter P because negative 2 is integer. We called it integer number. See, belonging to the set of integers because the negative 2 denominator about it equal 1. Complete the following here. Question number 1, absolute value of negative 3 times absolute value of negative 4. The result here will be 3 and absolute value here 4. 3 times 4 equal 12. Question number 2, a negative number with an absolute value greater than 8 what? We know 9 is greater than 8. You want to find what? A negative number, the absolute value with an absolute value greater than 8, it will be negative 9. Absolute value of negative 9. Okay, understood? Again, in this example, you want to find number greater than 8, but this number, he asked about the absolute value of negative number with an absolute value greater than 8. We can write here 9 greater than 8 or 8 less than 9. Then the absolute value of negative 9, it will be 9, and 9 greater than 8. Then you can write what? Write negative 9. The answer will be about question number 2. You must write what? Write negative 9. Right here negative 9. Okay, next question here. Question number 3. Absolute values of opposites are equal. Again, you must know these properties. Absolute values of opposites are equal, such that we have negative 3 and 3. If we get the absolute value about first and the absolute value about second, the results will be equality. So the absolute value of opposites are equal. Write this word equal. Write this word equal about question number 3. Write this word. Okay. Question number 4. The smallest positive integer number is what? Smallest positive integer is 1. Question number 4. The result will be 1. The smallest positive integer number is 1. Question number 5. The integers between negative 4 and 1 are space. You want to find what? The integers between negative 4 and 1. We can write what? We can write negative 3, count from smallest to greatest. We know negative 5, negative 4 here less than negative 3, and negative 3 less than negative 2, less than negative 1, less than 0, less than 1. So the result will be negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, and 0. It's the results about this example. Okay. Question number 6. Negative 3 over 4, negative 3 and 1 over 4. In the form a over b, it's meaning convert this number to fraction. Write 4 in the numerator and the sign here. 3 times 4 equal 12 plus 1 equal 13. The result will be negative 13 over 4. Question number 7. From the opposite number line, we have the number line here. The integer for point A is space and the opposite equal space. Look at here the number line. We have number line here. We have negative 1 and 0, and here will be negative 2, and here number will be negative 3. Okay, you want to find what? A will be what? Negative 3. A will be what? Negative 3, and its opposite will be what? 3. We have here 1 and 2 and 3. So the result will be what? Negative 3. And its opposite will be what? Will be 3. So question number 7, you must write negative 3 in the first space and second space write 3, because negative 3 refers to this point A and 3 is the opposite about this number. Question number 8. The number of integers between negative 5 and 2, you must write all numbers lies between negative 5 and 2 and count it. Look at here. We have here negative 5 and negative 5 less than negative 4, less than negative 3, less than negative 2, less than negative 1, less than 0, and less than 1, less than 2. We can find all numbers lies between and count it. Can you count with me? Okay, count with me here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. The result will be 6 integers. Okay, we have what? 6 integers. So question 8, we must write 6 integers. We have 6 integers. Understood? Next question. Question number 3, choose the correct answer. The rational number between negative between negative 3.1 and negative 3.1 and 7. We want to find what هنا? We want to find what? The rational number. To find rational number between two numbers, you must equal parts. Put 0 behind this number. Put 0 here. It will be 3.1 and 0. Negative 3.1 and 0. And negative 3.1 and 7. We can find a lot of numbers between them from choosing here negative 3 and 15. Here, no, because it's a positive. And negative 3 and 14 here, question letter C. Negative 3 and 1400th lies between negative 3 and 1 and negative 3 and 1700th. Choose letter C. What is this example? Which of the following, question number 2, which of the following is greatest number? We have negative 10, absolute value of negative 10, and negative 11 and 9. We know the absolute value about negative 10, it will be 10. And we have 9, negative 11, 10, negative 10. Then the greatest number here, which of the following is the greatest number? It will be 10. You must choose absolute value of negative 10. Choose letter B about this example. Question number 2. Choose what? Letter B. Understood? Question number 3. A set of counting number space set of rational number. We know counting number refers to C. This set refers to counting number. Set of counting number and set of rational number. Rational number refers to Q. Then it will be subset. The set of counting number is subset. It's a subset of rational number. Okay? Choose letter what? Choose letter C. Understood? Question number 4. The additive inverse of absolute value of negative 2. Additive inverse is meaning opposite. Okay? We have here absolute value of negative 2 equal to. Then the additive inverse, it will be what? It will be negative 2. Additive inverse of absolute value, it will be negative 2 because absolute value of negative 2 equal to, then the additive inverse about the result here, it will be negative 2. Choose letter B about question number 4. Question number 5. Absolute value of negative 3 plus absolute value of negative 2. Absolute value here 3, absolute value here 2. 3 plus 2 equal 5. Choose letter A about this example. Question 6. All integers are also space numbers. All integers are also what? Are also, who can tell me? Counting? Or what? Thinking about this example. We can reading the choosing here with me. All integers are also rational numbers. Choose letter C. Choose letter what? Letter C. Why? Because the set of counting number is subset of counting number. Is subset of what? Of natural number. And natural number counting of integers. Set of integers. And set of integers is counting set of what? Rational number. Then in this example, question number 6. All integers asked about Z is subset of rational numbers. Q refers to rational numbers. All integers are also rational numbers, such that 5 belonging to Z belonging to integers and 5 also belonging to rational number. Okay? Understood? Why 5 belonging to rational number? Because this digits, the denominator about it equal 1. Okay, my students, all integers are also rational numbers. Question number 7. Here, negative 3, set of natural number? No, it's not belonging to. Doesn't belong to. Question number 7, choose letter B. Okay, choose letter B. Because negative 3 not belonging to natural numbers. Answer the following. Question number 4. Arrange in descending order. We have here -8, absolute value of -7, 2, 0, and -5. Okay, my students? First, we can find the value of absolute value of -7. It will be 7. Then the order here, you won't find arrange descending. Descending, it's meaning arrange from greatest to smallest. The greatest number here will be +7. Then you can write here absolute value of -7. And the next number here will be what? Will be 2. And the next number will be 0. And the next number will be -5. And the last one, -8. Okay? Understood? It's the order type. Question number 2. Find the rational number lying between 3/5 and 2/3. Won't find a rational number lies between them. Okay, we can find the least common multiplication between two numbers here. First, question number 2. You want to find a rational number lies between 3/5 and 2/3. First, we can find the least common multiplication between 3 and 5. It will be 15. Write 15 in numerator here and 15 in numerator here. 3 times 15 equal 15. 3 times 3 equal 9. 3 times 5 equal 15. 2 times 5 equal 10. We have 9/15 and 10/15. We can find what? We have infinity. Rational number lies between them. You want to find what? Rational number. You can find any number lies between them. Why multiplication 10 numerator and numerator? You can multiplication by 10 here. It will be 90/150 and 100/150. We can find the number. Then the number will be what? The number will be equal what? You can write any number lies between 90/150 and 100/150, such that 91/150. Okay, you can write a lot of numbers as you like in this example, because we have infinity numbers between any two rational numbers. We have a lot of numbers. Okay, you can write 92/150 as you like. Okay, it's very easy for you. Okay, next question here, question number 3. Write the following numbers in the opposite Venn diagram. You won't find, write this number in the opposite Venn diagram. Okay, we have here what? Counting and natural number and integers, natural number. Okay, we have a circle. Look at this circle here, and we have small circle and the next circle here and the last one here. We have 3 circles here. In circle here refers to what? Out of what? A lot of seats. It will be counting. Where is this number counting? Counting here 34. And rational number will be 0 and 34. Okay, counting number 34 and here 0. And what about integers? Integers here will be -10. It's integers. And we can write 2 and 1/4. It's rational number. And -7/8 and 0.225 in this set. This set refers to what? Rational number. It's the greatest. We know counting, set of counting number, subset of what? Natural number, and natural number subset of integers, set of integers, subset of rational numbers. Represent -3/4 on the number line. Okay, we can draw the number line and represent this. How? We can write here number line and write 4 points from your ruler, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here -1, -2, -3. You want to find -3 and 1/4 here in this part, -3 and 1/4. it lies between -3 and 4. -3 and -4. This point reverts to -3 and 1 over 4. It's this point. Okay, understood, my students? Okay, goodbye.